hates grocery shopping? You too? Are you tired of throwing groceries away and money basically with it? Does the thought of meal prepping and finding recipes, shopping for all of those ingredients just exhaust you? Well, if you think HelloFresh could be the answer to all of your problems, stay tuned and find out. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the channel that is empowering you with the knowledge to help you build generational wealth by revealing the financial education that we do not learn in high school. And if you were wondering what groceries have to do with building wealth, well, let's just say everything. Because everything costs money, especially groceries. And if you're still at home eating up your parents' groceries, you wouldn't understand that. Which is why I am here to help you make the best financial decisions even in your everyday life. You eat every day. Some people feel like they're in the grocery store every day. So why not start there? If you've never heard of HelloFresh, it's a service that offers meal kits and delivers them to your door. I've been using this service since April, so you can rest assured this is an honest review on is it worth it? Is it good? Does it really save you time and money? First off, they offer 6 plans. You can choose from the 6 how many recipes you want each week and for how many people. They do not offer a vegan option, but they do have vegetarian and pescatarian plans. My favorite part, besides eating the meals, is picking them. Come look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
You have a number of choices and they change every week. So you can literally eat something new and different and delicious every week. You pick your meals weekly because they are delivered to your house weekly. Yes, you heard me right. They deliver the groceries to complete each meal directly to your house. If you're not home, don't worry about it. The box is not only heavily insulated, but also comes with at least 2 ice packs that can either be thrown away, recycled, or saved. They are perfect for traveling, camping, picnics, etc. And they do keep your food viable for at least 48 hours after your scheduled delivery time. Now, in the box, you will get a recipe card for each meal. One side will have all of the ingredients needed, and the other side has very detailed instructions for preparing the meal that anyone, and I do mean anyone, can follow. And don't worry, these recipe cards are also available on the app. The ingredients for each individual meal is packaged in its own bag, and the meat is packed cozily either between the ice packs or under them. And I can say that the meat is packaged extremely well. I don't typically freeze my HelloFresh ingredients because I do use them the week they are ordered. Before the time the meal has been missed, the meat held very well in the refrigerator until it was cooked the next week. The produce is fresh. I can't promise that it's organic, but I do appreciate the fresh ingredients. And every single last ingredient that you need is pre-portioned. I don't measure when I cook, and with HelloFresh, I don't have to. Seasonings included. The only thing they don't provide is salt, pepper, butter, and oils. Everything else you will get. So for me, HelloFresh is definitely a win. I'm a mom of little people. I work full time, I'm a wife, and I have all of my little side projects. So when I get off, I don't feel like making up a meal, thawing out ingredients, and still having to cook them. Knowing that I can pull out a HelloFresh bag, dump the ingredients, and cook takes a lot of time and stress off my plate. Yes, I do still have to cook the meals. They do not come pre-cooked, but knowing there will be no need for last-minute store runs for that one missing ingredient, I don't have to think up something new and tasty. I can literally whip up a gourmet or takeout worthy meal in my kitchen without paying gourmet or takeout prices. And for meal preppers, this is perfect, because you just scroll and pick your meals and wait for them to be delivered. Pick a day, cook them all, throw them in Tupperware, and call it. They don't offer breakfast or lunch. Sometimes they have little options to order on the side, but this is primarily a dinner service. Now, I'll be honest, I took the plunge because I was offered 13 free servings, and it was totally worth it. And even now that I pay full price for my boxes, it is still worth it. Not to mention HelloFresh does offer a military discount. You can skip weeks if you don't need meals, can't find anything you like, or are still working on the meals from the previous week. You can change the number of recipes and servings at any time. You are not required to order anything every week. Just make sure that you make your selection before the cutoff time. I get my deliveries on Monday, so I have to make my final decisions by Wednesday night. Now, if you want to give HelloFresh a try, I have a ton of free boxes to give away. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment below, hello, so I know that you are interested. If you have any questions, please let me know, because you know where to find me: Instagram, Facebook, or my website, miareveals.com, all linked in the description box below. Until the next time.